In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to group elements in Canva using your laptop. The first method is to select elements using layers. First, click on any element in your design. From the top menu, click on Position, then open the Layers tab on the left. Or for a quicker way, just press Alt and 1 on your keyboard to open it directly. Now, to select the elements you want, click on the first one. To select the second, hold down the Control key while clicking it. Do the same for the third, the fourth, or any other element in the layers. Just click and hold Control to add them to your selection. Once you're done, click Group in the top bar that appears. And there we go. As you can see, they've become one single block, and you can move it however you want. Now for the second method, which is selecting them using your mouse directly on the design. For example, to select a group together, you would usually click and drag to highlight them. But as you can see here, we sometimes run into a problem where the background or large surrounding elements get selected or moved by mistake. The solution is to lock these annoying elements. Click on any element, background, or frame that's in the way, and from its top bar, click the lock icon. Now they won't move while we are selecting the elements on top of them. That's what I'm doing right now, locking all the distracting surrounding elements. Now I can easily drag the mouse to select all the elements I want to group. From the top bar, choose Group, and just like that, they are now one block. Finally, the last method is selecting elements using the Shift key. Click the first element to select it, then press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking the second element, then the third, and so on. This way, you can select elements in different places even if they aren't right next to each other. Once selected, click Group in the top bar. And as you can see, they've become one single block. And that's all. Those are the 3 best ways to group your elements and keep your designs organized. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.